How to make guests and visitors feel welcome at your BNI chapter meeting. Remember, first impressions always count. If you have a venue where it's not clear to guests and visitors which room the meeting is being held in, then whoever invited them should arrange to meet them in reception at a set time. Leave the door open to your meeting room until just before the meeting starts. Clear signage can also help. Greet them professionally with a warm smile and handshake. Sign them in at the signing table, which should be set out in a professional manner. If possible, have their name badges already printed. Remember, first impressions do count. Let the guests and visitors know the agenda for the meeting, i.e. about open networking, and what time the second part of the meeting will start, and when the meeting will finish. Inform them there will be a short feedback session at the end of the meeting, approximately 10 to 15 minutes, whereby they can ask any questions they may have, after which they will join us all for breakfast. Also let them know if they meet a member during the meeting they would like to get to know better. Ask them to let you know, and you will do your best to arrange for them to have breakfast with that member. Remind them they will get a chance to do a short presentation, approximately 60 seconds or less, to educate the members about their business and the type of customers they are specifically looking for. Suggest they focus on a particular part of their business, perhaps an area of their business that they may want to grow. Remember that guests and visitors are under no obligation to do a 60-second presentation. Show them where they will be seated, ideally next to a member that could be a potential referral partner for them. Ensure that your visitor host team has a process for seating guests and visitors so they're all on the same page. Remember, how you do one thing is how you do everything. Introduce them to your fellow members and ask them if they would like a tea, coffee or glass of water. If they do, get it for them. Make sure they are always with a fellow member and not left on their own. Ensure there is a seat kept for them next to a member at breakfast. Wear your lapel pin, as it helps guests and visitors know who the members are. It also builds credibility for you and your team. Ensure you wear your name badge, so guests and visitors know your name and what you do. This helps them fit in and builds rapport quickly. If they have to keep asking your name or your members their name, this can make them feel out of place and make what could have been a perfect visit feel negative. Remember, building relationships in the local community is important to the growth of any business, and it is always important to put your best foot forward and create that everlasting, perfect first impression.